What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Do you have a baby who's giving you a hard time during your sleeping time? Then this video got some solution for you. Well, this video is about white noise machines for babies, which is another thing to try in process of encouraging little people to go to sleep. These machines often have a range of sounds to choose from. I've made a pros and cons video about white noise machines for babies, and also I've added a little conclusion in the end of the video for better comparing and selecting. So stay tuned.
Number 1. Hatch Rest 2nd Gen. Introducing the Hatch Rest, this white noise machine stands out with a range of features designed for a customized and soothing experience. With convenient app control, it offers access to a sound library featuring white noise, lullabies, and nature sounds. Users can adjust the volume, utilize a nightlight for added ambience, and even benefit from a sleep coach feature, although the latter requires a subscription. The Hatch Rest 2nd Gen combines technological convenience with diverse sound options to enhance the sleep environment according to individual preferences. Now let's take a look at some of the pros and cons of this machine. On the positive side, it offers versatile options, incorporating sleep coaching features and delivering commendable sound quality. However, it's essential to consider the drawbacks, including the requirement for the app to achieve full control and the fact that it may be pricier compared to some alternatives. Number 2. Yoga Sleep Dome Classic. Moving on, let's take a closer look at the Yoga Sleep Dome Classic. This white noise machine takes a distinctive approach, functioning as an analog device that produces natural white noise sounds using a fan. With adjustable volume settings, it provides users with the simplicity of a classic design, delivering a consistent and soothing auditory experience. It's time to explore the positive and negative aspects of this noise machine. On the pro side, it is recognized for its simplicity and reliability, boasting a commendable battery life that ensures extended use and affordability, making it an accessible option for users. It does have its drawbacks, including limited sound options, restricting the variety of auditory experiences it can provide, and the absence of light features, which may limit its utility in certain settings.
Please like and subscribe to support me.
Number 3. Wave Hello Snooze White Noise Machine. Now let's shift our focus to the third contender on our list. This device boasts a compact and portable design, equipped with a rechargeable battery for on-the-go convenience. Offering a variety of white noise and nature sounds, a timer feature, and a built-in night light, it stands out for its versatility and practicality. Whether you're looking to create a serene environment at home or take the calming ambience with you wherever you go, this contender ensures flexibility and convenience with its array of features. It's time to weigh the benefits and drawbacks of employing this device. On the advantages side, it stands out for its portability and versatility, providing users with a portable solution that offers good sound quality at a decent price point. It's essential to consider the cons, including a more limited selection of sound options compared to some alternatives and the potential for white noise hiss at higher volumes. Number 4. Munchkin Shenoise Owl. Now let's explore the Munchkin. With its endearing plush toy design, this white noise machine offers a delightful combination of features, including multiple white noise and nature sounds, lullabies for a soothing ambience, a timer for customizable use, adjustable volume to suit individual preferences, and a soft glow light to provide gentle illumination. The Munchkin not only embraces a cute and comforting design, but also provides a range of functionalities to enhance the sleep environment and create a tranquil atmosphere. Let's dive into the positives and negatives of this machine. Exploring the merits and drawbacks of this machine, it boasts a charming design, multiple functionalities, and an affordable price. It's essential to consider the potential downsides, including sound quality that may not match dedicated machines in crispness. Additionally, for those on the go, the machine could be perceived as potentially bulky for travel, introducing a practical consideration for users seeking portability. Number 5. Nanit Pro Sleep System. Closing our exploration, the Nanit Pro Sleep System takes the spotlight. This innovative system integrates a smart monitor with a white noise machine, offering additional features such as a night light, room temperature sensor, sound detection, and sleep analytics, subscription required. It stands out for its comprehensive set of functionalities, ensuring a holistic approach to enhancing the sleep environment and monitoring sleep patterns. In this review, we'll evaluate the pluses and minuses of using this device. Looking at the bright side, it offers comprehensive features, ensuring a holistic user experience. The device stands out for its high-quality audio output, contributing to an enhanced auditory experience. Additionally, it provides valuable sleep tracking insights, offering users detailed information about their sleep patterns. It is crucial to take into account the downsides, as it stands as the most expensive option among its counterparts. To access its full range of functionalities, a subscription is required, which may influence the overall cost of ownership. In conclusion, when prioritizing features and versatility, the Nanit Pro Sleep System emerges as a top choice. For those seeking simplicity and natural sounds, the Yoga Sleep Dome Classic is a suitable option. If portability and a fun design are key considerations, the Munchkin Shenoise Owl stands out. Those looking to combine soothing sounds and light may find the Hatch Rest 2nd Gen appealing. Lastly, for individuals focused on affordability and voice control, the Wave Hello is a noteworthy selection.
Thanks for watching so far. I hope you found the video informative and useful. Please like and subscribe to support my channel. Thanks and have a good one.